Hello, in this video demo, I'll show you how to create an AI inference microservice in Rust, compiled to WebAssembly, and run it in the Wasm Edge sandbox. You are not limited to Rust though. You can do this in JavaScript too. We'll show you a complete image classification microservice application with a high-performance web server, a TensorFlow model runner, and even the capability to call external web services, databases, and messaging queues. You are not limited to TensorFlow models either. PyTorch, OpenVINO, and other formats are also supported. For microservices, the WebAssembly sandbox is a much lighter, faster, and more secure alternative to Linux containers. Furthermore, Wasm Edge can be managed by existing container toolchains. In a Kubernetes cluster, Wasm Edge applications can run side by side with Linux container applications. So let's get started with the code. Here is the Rust code that starts the HTTP server for the microservice. For every request that comes in, the handler function is invoked. Here the handler function is called classify. The handler function passes and processes the HTTP request and then returns the response. Now the Rust program imports the TensorFlow model. It transforms the input image data in the HTTP request into a tensor and executes the model against the tensor. The result tensor tells us how to classify the input image. It is a series of numbers that you can look up in a label file to translate into English. Here's the label file. That's it for the code. Let's now build the microservice into WebAssembly bytecode using a simple cargo build command. We can now run the WebAssembly app in the Wasm Edge runtime. It starts the server and listens for incoming HTTP requests. From another image window, you can send the image to the microservice, and it would respond with a classification. The picture is this. It's American computer scientist pioneer Grace Hopper in her Navy uniform. The microservice correctly recognizes the picture as containing a uniform. It returns almost instantaneously. That's it. You can clone or fork the GitHub repository and use it as a template for your own microservices. Thank you.